I'm Don Hammond, California's criminal defense hero. Today, I want to talk a little bit about record sealing. There are a couple of situations in California where people can have their records sealed, their criminal records. One is if there was no conviction in the case was dismissed or it wasn't filed by the district attorney, we can go back and have the arrest sealed under Penal Code Section 851.91. This allows that on any kind of job application or application to work with a charitable organization, whatever kind of application you're filling out, you can say, no, I've never been arrested. That's incredibly helpful for people who are in a situation where they were arrested for something where maybe they didn't do it, or maybe there wasn't enough evidence to prosecute them. And either the district attorney decides not to prosecute the case, or if there's a dismissal in court. We have a lot of experience filing these kinds of motions, even though the law changed to allow them just a couple of years ago. We jumped on it and got some of the first ones filed in the state of California. So if you've had a situation where you were arrested, but it did not result in a conviction, give us a call. We're happy to help. 323-529-3660. Thank you.